This is the Amtrak Spuyten Duyvil swing bridge. It was built in 1900 and it was rebuilt in 2018. It's a Baltimore through trust swing bridge, and it carries the Amtrak Empire coming up, and it crosses the Harlem River between Manhattan and New York City, New York. And so, as they call it, the Spuyten Creek. And so, I'm show you the whole view of the swing bridge. See, look at this. You got approach towards spin. And look at this. A nice one. Yep, it was rebuilt, and it's the same design as it was the last one. It was built in 1900. So it swings for boats and ships, for its pivoting, and it pivots and swings back for railroad traffic. So, and this bridge crosses the Harlem River between Manhattan and New York City, New York.